generally accepted by the criminology profession in the Philippines, and that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the responsibilities and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized criminologist. So help me God. Pakibaba ang inyong mga kamay. By the power vested upon me by Republic Act number 8981, Republic Act number 11131, the issuances of the Professional Regulation Commission and that of the Professional Regulatory Board of Criminology, and subject only to the formal compliance in your application for registration with the PRC. Henceforth, I hereby declare you as registered criminologists. Congratulations.
All thanks to Honorable Ramil G. We now proceed to the part 2 of the program. At this juncture, I call in Dr. Ariel D. Manuso, the PCAP Vice President for NCR for the oath of PCAP membership, PCAP meeting, charging and message to the new PCAP members. A round of applause, please.
So much ladies and gentlemen. Diyos na kayo na aga sa ato. Isang mapagpalang umaga sa ating lahat. Dasal good morning for everybody. Good morning. Kaya parang tulong na sila. Kanina pa sila nandito alas 7 yata ng umaga. Good morning. Very much better. I think
naantok na.
Proud na. Actually, pag-entrance talaga
aga-aga nagsipuntahan, di ba? Yung iba. Oo.
may mga nag-break na naman
meron pang galing Maribeles. May isang estudyante na galing Maribeles.
Kasi nandito sila
nag-aral sa ano, sa Naga. Taga Maribeles siya.
By the PCAP National Office, it is my honor to give recognition first.
Alas 4 pa lang. Nandito na yung iba. Ay, ano? Nagsigising na yung iba. Yung iba, alas 3 pa lang. Baka yung iba, hindi na nga natulog.
Also, may colleague with Philippine College of Criminology, the chairman of the board.
Hindi naman pala magsisimula ng maaga. Tapos lumuluhat-luha na si Joy kanina. Dahil late na siya. Kaya pati yung makeup niya, ano na, yung tawag nito, minadali na lang nga yun eh.
Representative also, Miss Jane Lee, the chief coordinator. Siyempre for the host of the program, because this program will not be a success without the people.
Tsaka pagpawisin yung mukha niya eh. Mamumu talaga yung babasa, mababasa.
It's really a successful and memorable one, which every one of you, the governor of the PCAP Region 5, Dr. Jessica C. Orlando Jr., sir. Also the Vice Governor, who is also my colleague in the TLS coordination, Sir Alex Lagarde, the Vice Governor for the Region 5. We also have here the Chancellor, the Chancellor of Albay University, Dr. Danilo L. Camargo, sir. Also, hindi ko lang kalimutan natin, walang may nanay-nanay.
Tsaka sabi naman niya ayaw niya yung maputi, di ba? Kaya inano sa kanya yung hindi maputi. Ayaw niya maging mukhang espasol.
Kaya yung isa sa aking mga nanay.
Kaya ang binigay sa kanya yung kulay na rin ang suot niya.
Kaya pag nag-invite siya.
Oo nga eh, parang Pilipinang-Pilipina siya dun eh.
Also, the director,
Okay naman yung makeup niya.
Chancellor for the Camarines Sur and Naga, Modes ng Dr. Edison Sisola.
Tsaka syempre umitim naman siya eh.
The Chancellor for Sorsogon, Raymond Sanchez.
Pero okay lang yung kulay niya. Pilipinang-Pilipina.
Officers of the regions and the chapter officers of the PICA. Which I cannot enumerate all, since sobrang naman po nila. And syempre, one of the people behind your success, the deans and the program chairs of the different colleges and universities of Region 5. Can we give and put our hands together to your deans and program chairs, together with the members of the faculty. Sila po yung apat na taon na nag-mentor, sabi ng chairman at mentor sa inyo, so that you can bring the best of what you have and to show them that you have something to do to the society. Okay. So before I proceed with the charging, so I have to task this morning, charge you. Don't worry, I'm not filing things against you. That's a different meaning of charging. So charging is some sort of paalaala. Sabi nga, comes to great responsibility. There is no comes to great power is always a greater responsibility. Gusto mo na nakakilala sa inyong organizations na kayo ay member nito. Which is the Professional Criminology Association. It's just a few milestone about the organization. Para naman ay alam ano ba yung tinatawag na including all this prostitute. Dr. and pick up the streetwalker, inaral sa drug education and vice control. They don't pick up po yun. Ayan. So, ang pick up naman po, ang tumatayong integrated, accredited professional organization. So, ibig sabihin, siya po yung mo na recognize sa tulong, siyempre, ng ating very supporting and very guiding PRB, headed by our chairman of the board, kasi we know for a fact that maraming criminology organization existing now in our nation, but the only one accredited, recognized by the Professional Regulation Commission is the PICA. So we are standing legally, we are existing in accordance with the law. So what are some of the milestones of the organization? Para sa akin naman na kasi yung nagtatanong, sir, pwede lang ba kami mag-member ng PICA? Pwede ba magpa-register na kami? Yun. Pag may nagtatanong sa akin na ganun, nasasagot ko lang, sigurado ka kung masasagot. Why? Kasi yung Republica 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3 plus 1. Siya mismo ang nag-provide, diba? Bago kayo mag-practice pursuant to Section 19, you have to take an oath. Oath of 2. 1 the PRC and 2 for the PICA to the integrated organizations. So ibig sabihin, since our profession is recognized, it is legally existing, and it is a regulated program. So may mga rules and regulation po tayo dapat sundin ang program. So nakalimutan ko banggitin na gano'n po pala mas higit na dapat importante pala para sa araw nito. Ay, because this is really, diba the 1,101 yung parang dalation. Successful pastors of the February 2, 3, and 4 licensure examinations. This program has to your success. All the businesses is just a relative one. Bakit? Kasi marami pang nakaabang kasi susunod na success. Kaya nag-siyempre, ibig sabihin, may nakaabang din ng greater challenges along the way. Including for issues. Yung mga parents, tayo ng share ng galing. Hindi ko tayo mapapagod. Mapapagod ka rin. Pero sabi nga ni Sir